Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarence NYC reacts to DDG Crash TT's wedding. Let's get into it.
T wedding? Is that on DDG channel? I seen niggas. Nay! Oh my God, Nay. 25 gifted, Nay? That's how you feeling? Nah, Nay's going crazy, gang. Yo, 25? Nah. 25 gifted is beast, Nay. Appreciate you, gang. 25, got it. Told you, big Nay. Big Nay. Let them know now.
Congratulations to TT. I hope she enjoyed some part of it. I know this is gonna be a mess though.
25 after the 10 though. That's the beastie part. Wait, hold the fuck up. TT's getting married? Is this real? I just realized what this is.
I know they've been together for a while though.
No. Okay. So yeah, what the fuck?
And hopefully and praying that they will stand together and be with each other until
This nigga George is the fucking pastor.
let us pray.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you do not know, it's not me, it's you. Deluxe is out right now. I decided to add 4 more songs to the project. Make sure I go listen to them. It's all gas, all rapping, all turn up shit. For the girls, for the dudes, for everybody. So make sure you go check that out right now. It's out on all platforms. Also, while you
I'm wild confused, nigga.
maybe
What?
not is already out, but
How did I?
It looked like he had somebody helping him record the inside before he got there. Maybe that's it.
Why are they having a fake marriage?
For Bulletproof Maybach, it's out now. If it's not, then it's coming. Her life up. Cause I don't think Aries is the one. If you didn't even have your first sip of liquor yet. TT getting married is very dumb, very stupid. She just met this boy a year ago. Makes no sense. I feel like a marriage should come with you
Simply Krishan.
person.
Thank you for the gift.
Okay, first of all, Aries is real cute, so that's why she get married. You know, if you know, you know. How we gonna tell this wrong? But I guess that's her big brother, you know. And I know initially we've done actually some reactions about him, and I don't know if he ever really felt Aries like that, you know. So I don't know if they actually got along or if they had enough time to bond. So I see how you feeling though.
You actually growing with somebody, and you're not just marrying anybody. The fuck? Sparkly people walking past and shit.
No,
I don't even know where we at, y'all. I don't know where we at, but I got the drop. And
The wedding's in the hood?
I'm not even trying to come off as like no overprotective brother. I just don't want my sister to fuck her life up. Cause
TT's mad young, bro. There's no way she should be getting married right now.
That's just me looking out for her.
Fake married.
Like,
Cali Love, thank you for the sub.
grown, I noticed.
Y'all going crazy early, man. Appreciate y'all, gang.
Married.
Let's get to 1,000.
Stupid. So we finna crash the wedding.
Yeah, they blacking with the gift list today.
Object.
Yo, bro, how do you walk in there? Bro, first...
He out of control. He really is. What if that ain't even a part of the ceremony yet? Like, was he waiting to the part where they was about to say it while he was talking to us? Or like, did they get married already? Because Aries already said he did. So He talked to us about 5 minutes, so who knows if he's too late.
Yo, bro, what? Well, how do you walk in the shit and say, I object? Like, you don't even know what part they on, bro. Is this a dance hall? This is definitely a dance hall. There's no way. And that is not what Dub is wearing to a wedding, Mo. And there's like 6 people at this wedding. No way they get married. I
They want to have it all small and intimate, you know. I mean, you know, if you spend a small amount on the wedding, then you get to, you know, get a nice house. You know, y'all in LA, so that's expensive.
You do?
I object. If I object, then that mean you can't fucking do it, George. You not no goddamn pastor. What are you doing?
You touched everyone's house, man.
Yeah, I would have to press George.
What is this?
You trying to do this cheap ass wedding for what?
It's one thing to have a cheap wedding, but for a person to point it out that it's cheap, it just is crazy. And then niggas is vlogging. Like, some niggas is getting vlogging material right here. This is crazy.
You always mess everything up. Everything.
You gonna get married to a nigga in this little ass room. And the dance room.
Yes. I will get married by myself.
Yeah, the point that was the dance studio. I was trying to say that too, but I wasn't trying to rain on that girl. If she want to get married again in a dance studio, that's her business. But I did say a big mirror. You know, that's me. One thing. It's a dance studio.
Vegas, I will. It doesn't matter.
The Shay has on a graphic tee.
It's about us. It's not about what's around us.
Nah, a little bit about what's around it.
How long you known Aries?
Doesn't matter. I don't have to. It doesn't matter.
What is the ring at? Show me the ring. It's a nice ring. What the fuck is this?
Bro, what's the point?
Nobody want to tell me nothing?
No. We thought everyone got the memo. Right.
Can you please place the ring?
Hey, Brooklyn. But she kept it cute and simple. She got 2 bridesmaids, you know. She got her brother there. She got both her brothers there. And her nephew, you know. That's all it is.
I said I object. So if you
What does I object really mean in a wedding? Like, say I'm at a wedding, right? And I just be like, yo, I object. Like, what does that do to the wedding? Deadass. That's a great question. Like, does that mean everything is like, what do you mean? Like, do I?
No, you just gonna catch a beat down by everybody else that's there. They gonna ignore you. They gonna throw you out, and they gonna keep going.
Go up then for it, go up there. They never show that.
Yeah, and what about? I guess it depends on who it is. You know, if daddy paying for the wedding and then he don't like the way everything smell, he be like, hold on. He got his baby mama here. He got some girl that, you know, whatever. Or if you the girl who he cheating with, and you just feel some kind of way, and you go storm the wedding, and then you got your receipts, you know, maybe that can help. But it's just like a pause in the ceremony to make them think like, okay, is this a real objection? Should it be something I need to worry about?
Or after a nigga object. Like, does the nigga go up there and be like, yo, I don't think y'all should be married?
You object
What was the problem? Why do you
Object the way you're out.
because you're too young. You should be.
crash her ring?
You gonna let her? What do you got, Jeffrey Dahmer? Jeffrey Dahmer glasses on. What the fuck is it? Nobody else is dressed. The only person that's dressed is Woo-Wah.
What do you
And
mean?
he don't even know what the hell going on.
Why does it matter? Why are you trying to talk about it?
Her makeup is lit. I like that. They beat her face good. But, you know, she looks great. You look beautiful, Brooklyn. I mean, and also TT looks beautiful, I mean. But, yeah, I mean, y'all look nice. And she dressed up. And, you know, it don't matter if she want to go to David's Bridal and save some money. She, you know, if she want to spend $500 on her wedding, that's her business. It ain't up to us to say. Just because she on YouTube don't mean she got to spend millions and thousands of dollars. If they love each other, that's all that matters. And you don't know, George could have been certified online or something. Y'all just rude.
Whoop look like he just got out of school. Catholic school, to be exact.
He's too adorable, though.
Not a wedding.
Come on, man.
You want her to get married to him? And she just met him?
I didn't just meet him.
They've been together for a year, and plus she got him a whole PS5 and a Blue controller.
Exactly.
See, Whoop's like, if a girl do all that for me, she can have me too.
That's love. Hey, that's love.
Baby, speaking the truth.
Yo, bro. Nigga Whoop is marrying a girl if she gets him a PS5 and a blue controller. Like, that's what sold him, the blue controller, gang. That kid knows what he wants.
A nigga value a PS5 controller, that mean you get married.
A whole PS5. She didn't just buy him the PS5 by itself. She bought him a whole controller too and the headphones.
Bro, why is he a grown-ass man? Or like, the way he's like...
He been grown. Woo-Wop came out grown. Woo-Wop know more than everybody, so he gonna get married early too.
And, like... Yo...
Something like
A whole PS5. She didn't just buy him the PS5 by itself. She bought him a whole controller too and the headphones.
And the headphones, like, nigga, and, like, are you listening to what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And the fucking headphones.
something like that's love to me. That's love.
That's love. That's love.
TT, I guarantee,
Amen.
I guarantee you marry him, y'all be divorced in 2 months.
That's not true. Damn.
I
God
guarantee
damn.
That's not
That's
true.
tough.
Yes, it will, because y'all kids.
I'm ready.
Bro,
That's
George
tough.
known mama for how long? They still ain't married?
Ooh, ow. Y'all bogus. Now that's okay.
and George.
Hey, what you know him for?
Nigga just threw George under the bus.
Here. That's
Too
dumb.
bad you're not married.
I don't want to be married right now.
Dang, you just irritating, man.
So you didn't invite him?
She didn't even invite me, but she invite everybody else.
I didn't invite him.
She didn't invite me, but I helped TT with everything. What the
Now
fuck?
he's coming in here. I help TT with everything.
I
Are
do
you
help you with
serious?
everything. What are you talking about? I
Are
do.
you serious?
Okay.
Why can't you just come here and be happy? This is why nobody invites you nowhere.
I wasn't invited.
So what?
That's okay, TT. Like I said, that is okay. You do what you want to do, girl, okay? Why you gotta always be the thorn in her side, you know? Just love your sister. You shouldn't want to frustrate her this much. I mean, I guess you gotta be, you know, everybody needs somebody who's gonna tell them what's right and wrong, though. So I guess he gotta speak his mind. I don't know. What y'all think?
Even if you was invited, you would have had something to say.
If you don't want no ads, make sure you sub the fuck up. Sub up, gang.
Or you wouldn't have came. There's no point.
Did you buy my deluxe to my album?
What? What?
He said he gonna leave if you buy his album.
Nobody in here bought my album.
Nigga said nobody in here bought my album. How do you go to somebody's wedding and ask them if they downloaded your album? That's dumb for you.
Mama, you
Nobody
let
bought
this
my
happen? Mama's here supporting me.
Who
How can you make this
Did
about
you buy my album?
Yes, I do.
I know he did. I know he did. That's a grown ass man. Yo.
Alright, thank you.
What the hell wrong with you?
What if that was you and Holly and then Aries came in and said, why is y'all getting married?
He got a point. The grown man got a point.
Interpretation didn't make sense.
The grown man got a point.
Well, what if Aries was doing this to you?
Can you place the ring on your finger?
I do.
You do?
Come on, nigga. What are you doing, bro? Give me the fucking ring back. This is a door.
I like that hoodie.
This nigga got a shirt. Call me a ring. What the fuck are you doing? Hey,
Nah, it's the Hulk right there. Not stealing the ring, Mo.
I guess that's how you stop it, huh? You got to steal the ring. I got it now. He said my ejection didn't matter, so I got to steal the ring and run off.
If y'all want to know what I'm going to do with this ring, go listen to my album right now. It's all on deluxe. What's going to happen next?
Yo, W promo. Yo, DDG got it, bro. Nigga said if you want to know what you're about to do with this ring, go down that W promo. This kid always finds a way to market some shit. Yo, this kid is dumb funny for that.